Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be showing you how to improve terminal knee extension. So what I mean by terminal knee extension, it's that last little bit of extension when your leg is straight out like this. So it's important when we're learning to move without pain that we have full mobility and motion in all of our joints. And so this is really important for anybody who has arthritis, or maybe they've had a surgery on that knee and they can't quite fully extend that knee, and that can cause issues as we start to get more active. So this exercise is going to help you improve this terminal knee extension so that you can move without pain. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we want to test our terminal knee extension to see if this actually is an issue for us. And if it's not, then there's no point in doing this exercise, but it's a fun way to see if you can get into that full knee extension. So to perform the test, you just sit on the ground with your leg straight out. And in this position, my heel is going to be on the ground. Now to get into full terminal knee extension, all I'm going to do is contract my quads. And so what we're looking for with this test is that when I contract my quads, does my heel come up off the ground? And if it does, that's a good sign. So let me show you a couple rounds. So again, I'm relaxed. My knee or my heel is touching the ground. When I contract my quad, my heel comes up off the ground. Again, just a little bit, not a lot, but you can see it come off the ground. And then I relax and it goes back down. Contract, it comes back out. So if your heel comes off, it's a sign that you have pretty good terminal knee extension. If not, it's a sign that we're going to need to work on it, and that's what this exercise is going to help with. So let's go ahead and show you the exercise. To perform this mobilization, we're going to need a foam roller or something that we can just prop our leg on, and a band attached to a pole. So this is one of the more difficult mobilizations to set up, which is why I don't really like to prescribe it unless somebody really needs it. So if you did the test prior and decided that you need to improve your terminal knee extension, to set up, the first thing we want to do is distract the leg or separate this knee joint. So to perform that, I'm going to put my heel in the band, and then from there, take each side and cross them over each other. So that's going to create an X right at the top of my ankle joint. And from there, I'm just going to scoot backwards. So again, I'm creating tension on the band, and I can feel that distraction in my knee joint right there. From there, I'm going to take my foam roller and put it just right under my ankle. You don't want to get too much into the calf because that's just uncomfortable. Now, there's a few things you can do in this position. The first and easiest is just to do a little bit of knee or quad contraction. So in this position, I'm contracting my quads. And if you'll remember, when you contract your quads, it naturally brings you into that terminal knee extension. And when we combine that with a little bit of distraction of the knee joint, you can get a little bit more movement, which is what we want. So it's as simple as contracting the quad, holding for about 5 seconds, and relaxing. Now, if you want to do a little bit more, you can apply some overpressure. So what I'm going to do is use my hands right above my knee joint. So I'm going to be on my thigh. I don't want to be too far up. I don't want to be directly on the knee joint, but just right above. And from there, I'm going to press straight down. Again, I'm trying to get as much knee extension as I can. So you can do it passively, where you're not contracting, holding for about 5 seconds and relax, or you can contract the quad and then press down just for another 5 seconds and relax. And the third thing you can do is focus on the lower shin bone. And to do that, we're contract the quads, and as we're contracting, I'm actually grabbing my entire leg and turning it inward. And so again, what we're hoping to improve is that screw home mechanism that gets you into the terminal knee extension. So again, I'm contracting the quads, turning my shin inward. Again, I don't want the actual leg to turn. I want it to stay in the same position, but I'm just helping it move into that internal rotation to lock home and get that terminal knee extension. So give that one a try. That's one of the best exercises around to improve terminal knee extension. Let me know how it goes. Hey guys, it's Dr. Carl Baird here, and I wanted to thank you for watching our previous video and supporting our channel. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to build strength to solve joint pain, keep active, and maintain your lifestyle as you get older, be sure to subscribe to our channel to watch all of our new videos. You won't find it anywhere else.